In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the complete process of adding ChatGPT directly into Microsoft Word, so you can generate content, expand ideas, and improve your writing without leaving your document. This integration can help you work faster and more efficiently, especially when drafting articles, reports, or creative content. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Before installing anything, make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. This step is important because add-ins require an active account connection in order to download and function properly inside Word. Once you are signed in, go to the top ribbon and click on the Home tab. In the Home menu, look for the option labeled Get Add-ins. Click on it to open the Office Add-in Store. Inside the search bar, type ChatGPT and wait for the results to appear. When you see the ChatGPT add-in in the list, click the Add button, then select Continue to confirm the installation. Word will automatically download and install the add-in for you. After the installation is complete, the ChatGPT panel should open automatically on the side of your Word window. You will also notice that a ChatGPT button has been added to the toolbar for quick access. Follow the on-screen prompts by clicking Next, then Next again until the setup is finished. Once everything is ready, click inside the input box to begin using ChatGPT directly within your document. Now let's try a practical example. In the ChatGPT panel, type a request asking it to generate 3 paragraphs about the future of artificial intelligence. Within seconds, you will see a well-structured response appear in the panel. Review the generated content, then copy and paste it into your Word document wherever you want it placed. You can also use ChatGPT to complete unfinished sentences or expand specific sections of your writing. Simply highlight or describe what you need, provide clear instructions, and let the tool generate the continuation for you. This feature is especially helpful when you are experiencing writer's block or need additional ideas. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.